Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle, a Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, in the puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, December the 16th, 2023. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. And this one will be the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7633. 7633. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be the easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Alright? I think it's a 1-star, maybe 2 stars puzzle. 1-star puzzle need to be faster than 50 minutes. 2 stars puzzles need 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 2 stars or a 1-star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. Here, single box, here, and there. 4 single boxes. No, cannot believe this. Here, 1. Single boxes are always a 1. Here, and there. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. No dual boxes here. How about the triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with the 2 should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Same for the other side. This box, the box near the middle box or the inside box, 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and other numbers could be everywhere. Do we have more quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Well, then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of this kind of shapes here. Another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? Here we have the Z or the S construction. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z or the S construction, if you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S. And when you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z, but it's the same figure or shape. Alright, when you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one Z or the S construction we have here. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. Let me put this here also. Alright. Oh, bump the camera. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, it's rotated, this one. This box box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Do we have more L shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to remember. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to remember. The question is why you need to know these kind of shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those, 4 and the 5. Then this box can be 1. That box can be 1, and this box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this Z or S construction should be here. Then, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area. From us 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from us 1 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 there. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadrat box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Well, this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so and that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So the 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. And this box is also connected with that box. So 4 and the 5. This box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the pair 4 and the 5. Okay, a lot of 4 and the 5s. Well. Let me position the camera. I'm having troubles with the camera tripod. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area, save for numbers 4. And the 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for this 3. And the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then I think, well, I need to think. Come on, this is taking too long. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 5 there. If I place the 5 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 5, but we already have a 5 there. So not the solution to place the 5 there. The only place left the 5 in this Z or S construction should be there. So 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Okay. Yeah, I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1. Give me 2 should be 3. Give me 4. Give me 5. Yes, definitely 3 here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 1 box left in this Z or S construction for number 4 is connected with that box. Also a 4. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Give me 3. Give me 4. Give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. Told you. Should be a 1 star. Faster than 50 minutes. So I'm real pleased with time. And I like this one here. So I really do the thing. So thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow with the other puzzles. The Samurai Sudoku in the evening and the 2 puzzles in this puzzle page left and the 3 puzzles left in the Friday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.